Boola! Hey everybody, Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency in Fiji and the only international agency in Fiji. So for those of you around the world looking at this in the various countries, maybe the weather's not as warm and nice as it is here, but look at this. You could be sitting right under that umbrella, enjoying the swimming pools, eating at that cafe, or walking just a few steps this way to Port Denarau Marina, and that is where all the boat charters are, fishing charters for some of the best pelagic fishing on the southern hemisphere, of course cloud break and frigates, some of the world-class surfing, and then of course we've got incredible soft coral diving all over this place as well. So if you love to snorkel and surf and scuba diving, Fiji is definitely a place you want to check out. And if you want some place to come and relax, you and your family, here is a fantastic 3-bedroom rental, fully furnished, turnkey, self-contained, bring your bags, that's it. And I'm going to show you, this is bathroom #1 off the master that has this huge upper patio balcony area with this Denarau golf course views, flat screen TV for all the streaming, and if you need to do some work, you can got a little desk there. You can put your belongings in the wardrobe. And we're going to walk through now to the 2 other bedrooms. So all 3 bedrooms are upstairs, and you can see, look at some of the shells that they've collected here, that the owner and his family have collected. So if you're looking for a rental 3-bedroom, we also have 2-bedroom and 1-bedrooms available here at the Terraces Apartments. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll tell you more about it. And you can see this is fully stocked. Look at all the extra storage space there, all the towels and sheets ready to go for you. So again, we're making it easy for you, so no excuses. Here's the 2nd bathroom upstairs. Shower stall, you can hear that vent going, and then a nice sink and storage down below there with the towels just ready for you. Low maintenance tile, you see this is easy clean. So let's walk downstairs. Okay. So master suite with that big balcony, 2 more bedrooms here with that 2nd bathroom, and there's actually a half bathroom downstairs for guests, along with a great big living area and in-unit laundry, which is so convenient. All right, let's take a look. Look at this great open concept here, so you can do your cooking and entertaining with family and friends. And yeah, we got another TV for you. We have it all. And if you need to do some barbecue in here because you just caught some great fish today, boom, you can do it right there. And we can even get some more patio furniture here. Look at that. Look at how huge that is. So this is the 2nd big balcony overlooking the Denarau golf course. So bring your golf clubs, bring your tennis rackets, of course, bring those surfboards and all that scuba gear and masks and snorkels for getting out and seeing all the incredible marine life that we have here in Fiji. There's another look at that big balcony. And back to the great room. So the thing about the Terraces Apartments, this is literally steps from Port Denarau Marina. All the restaurants, retail, shopping, wine bars, coffee shops, nightlife, entertainment. Everything is literally just, I would say, 50 steps that way. Very, very close. So here's an extra storage locker. This is that half bath with the laundry we're going to check out in a minute. Great Fisher Paykel appliances, convection oven. We just used that in our place that was yesterday. Oven with a 4 gas burner and the vent hood, nice utility sink in the dishwasher. And this is fully self-contained, so you have all your pots, pans, all your cutlery is all in there. Just waiting for you to get here. Another view of the great room here. And here is the laundry I was talking about. So you have both the dryer and the washer. We've seen some Fijian properties just have that washing machine and they do the hang drying. But this is very convenient when you want to get something dry straight away, or if the weather doesn't hold up. There, we're finding Nemo. And he's unhappy because you're not here with him yet. But we're going to change that, aren't we? There's that vent. Half bath for guests. Really, really convenient. And here's the front entrance, and I'm going to walk you around. You can see just down here is that where that secret massage bure is, where you can get massages for you and your family after a long day out on the water or on the beaches. Here's the pedestrian path that will take you out towards the swimming pool. And this is another community called the Palms, and there's another cafe just inside there. So you actually have a cafe here, cafe there, and then just beyond those trees right there, that is Port Denarau Marina. And so you're literally, like I said, steps away. So this is ultra convenient and modern, clean, easy. You want a rental where you don't have to worry about anything and make it simple. This is it right here. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679-999-2051, and we will see you here very, very soon. Renaka.